In this video, we would like to show AI layout automation in action. As you can see, your page planner solution has created the empty pages in WoodWing Studio and already placed the sold ads. The next step is that we're going to place the stories on the page. We select the pages for which we want to run layout automation and open the layout automation dialog. In the bottom, we see a list of all the articles which have been written for this issue and category. And here on the top, we see how the algorithm is laying out the articles over the different pages. As a user, I can now make some tweaks to the design. For example, by changing the story type from a lead into a second, or by changing the aimed page number. When I click Update, you see that the story is now moved to page 6 and has become a secondary story. Whether something is a secondary or lead story is a creative decision. It's not only based on the number of characters. You could, for example, have a small story with a large article being the lead story. When you are happy with the result, you can hit the Compose Pages button. The design is then sent to InDesign Server and the stories are placed on the page. This takes a moment. We can now use the existing process to finish up the layout. For example, preview the layout and open one of the stories in InCopy or in the print editor, or finish the design in InDesign. Thank you for watching.